Nobody needed you anyway.
Little soul.
What do you have to say? Weakness is fire. Are they talking about the mice? The Mises?
Yep. Lock on.
Oh.
Lock on, dude. They can catch you though, so just be careful. They can catch you in like a.
Don't worry, I got his shit.
Good shit. Gorgeous view ahead.
Thanks. Do I need to know about that for my future?
They're just.
Be wary of liar. See, that's more helpful. Thank you. Fuck Douglas, thinking he knows what he's talking about.
Thanks, Brian. Thanks for pointing that out. It's
What?
definitely a liar.
Brian and Douglas.
Yep.
Doug Nally. Which way do I want to go?
So remember that
Dragon?
Black Knight?
Oh.
Yeah.
No,
There's
that's
another
okay.
one up there.
Oh, it's not the same
He
dude.
has a different weapon. Yeah, there are hundreds of them.
There's...
New zone. The Undead Parish. It's a little tricky up ahead.
Oh.
Wrong button.
No, is what I wanted to do, but he's gonna be a dick, so I'm just gonna fucking hack at him. Blech. He kind of like threw up a little in his... Oh, what the fuck is that? Is that a hog or a mouse? Oh, god damn it. God damn it.
Nope, bye. See you later.
Bye. Whatever, we got 7 minutes, I'll try.
So, there's a, immediately to your right.
There's a fire thing that he's gonna kick?
No, immediately to your right, there's an enemy and then a set of stairs that you can go up.
Should I just wait for him, this guy?
Drag this fucker out, just so you can take care of him.
Huzzah!
Oh,
eat a dick.
He had like a tiny sliver of health left.
He's like, oh god,
I don't mean
why
this,
did you
but
kill me? I'm jiggling my head a little.
There's a spear guy to your right, and then behind him, like, see those set of stairs?
Yeah,
you can
go
run
up
up there.
Okay.
So I would not be out in the open like this. It's totally up to you.
What do you mean on the open?
Oh, good shit.
What do you mean on the open?
Because the boar will aggro pretty soon.
Okay, you didn't.
There's
Other
two
dudes do.
crossbows. They're gonna fuck your day up.
Oh, they don't. Not if I'm behind barrels. See what I'm saying? Oh, no
Nope.
barrels.
They're very annoying. Go. See how it takes your endurance a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, wow, no endurance. You have no endurance.
Oh, what was that?
Careful.
That definitely hit me.
You were in like a, barely.
What are you doing? Fight me! What
He
the?
knows what's going down, dude. He knows you're not.
Stop it!
Nope. Nope.
God
Bring
damn.
him down the stairs.
Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Oh. Come on. Come on.
Now that the arrow guys can't hurt you. There you go. You got it. Hit him. Hit him. Oh,
You
were
fuck.
a little too late.
Oh, you dickhead.
Estes, dude.
Oh, sorry.
Estes,
I
don't be cocky.
will. He asked
He
us.
Estes. Wow.
What a dickhead. Why don't you come
That's
here
really
and fight me?
fucking annoying. Doing it too quickly. Oh,
You
there
jerk.
it is. There it is.
God, what the fuck? That's right, walk away. Waggle your fucking spear somewhere else. We don't need any of that shit.
But you're learning, so it's
God,
alright.
ah.
It's okay, dude. Use this rage to your advantage.
No.
Yes.
Okay. And remember what you told me.
Yep.
That. Okay, we're doing this. We're
You're
doing
gonna
this. We're doing
learn
this. We're
each
doing this.
zone
We're doing this. We're
slowly.
doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this.
You're gonna learn each zone slowly. Counter hit, kind of.
Fuck you.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I
Fuck
gotta go
you.
deal with my cat.
Fuck you. Stop
Fucker.
estusing, healing, whatever you want to call it. Just stop it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What do you got? What do you got, homie? What do you know?
Not a
Do you
whole
know
lot,
the Muffin
apparently.
Man? Come on. Let's go. Come out here.
Do you even Dark Souls?
Come on. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. See, that's what I didn't want. That's what I didn't fucking... Stop it, you dick head. There you go. God. What is this? Just go away. Go down there.
Down to Pound Town.
Okay, now I gotta get these Mises
These meese.
out here. Aggro the...
Not
this-
doing too bad.
Mouse.
Your health's okay.
Where is he?
It's being retarded. Oh, nice. You only got one of them, so that's good. Oh! There
Bye-bye! Okay. We're gonna have to call it quits after in a second.
Okay. We'll have a go at the area
Oh,
again. You can get him here.
no, I don't like him.
You like him on the edge.
I do. The edge of darkness. Oh, what the
Darkness.
fuck?
Whoa, that was a lot
Through
of
the
poison.
wall?
Oh, he's almost there. There it
What
is.
the fuck? What is it? So I have to
So-
wait?
Yep. So
So
when
explain-
your poison goes
explain that
all
to
the way
me.
up,
Get
you're-
off the fucking ledge.
Ah!
Oh,
when
God.
that bar fills, I
Yeah.
would definitely heal.
Yeah, no, there's a guy right around the corner. Mouse.
When that bar goes all the way up, you'll be poisoned, and your health will start going down slowly. Obviously.
Okay. Oh, he's ugly.
They're
God.
bastards. Those
I know.
those mice,
Mices?
especially when they're in like packs together. They're quite annoying. Quite annoying.
Quote unquote unquote.
Quote unquote annoying.
Uh,
Da! Bah! You got him
Ugh.
through the shield.
I know, because he's a dickhead.
Remember? So, do you see that gate up ahead?
Yeah.
It
you
was
gotta get through
open before.
that. Oh, it was?
Yep.
I lost my chance?
Yep. There's a way to
Dark
just run.
Souls.
Yep.
You really get me.
So you're gonna have
sometimes.
to go down and around, and I'll show you where to go after you clear this zone.
What a fucking nutsack.
Ah, good shit.
But you know what?
Wait till your endurance goes up. Your stamina goes up. Or not. You have
God.
no stamina. Get him from behind.
I hate these walls, but I mean it's more realistic.
Yeah, I know. Nice. Good shit.
I know, I'm trying.
You haven't aggroed the boar yet. There's your souls. Sweet.
Oh, I forgot there's no fucking blockade.
Lock lineage. Oh, there are people playing, I guess.
I fucking want
Dude,
him dead.
Don't be so aggressive.
I just want.
Get him. Yeah.
Fucking dick. How dare you?
Okay, what you really don't want to do at this point is fall off that little bridge,
Do I die?
because you will, because of that boar.
I done did die.
Don't die.
Okay, well.
Daggone dang.
Oh, in the back. Oh
So-
no. Don't do that again.
Run up to them with your shield up,
Okay.
or you can just walk, I guess.
Wait, can I hide?
No. And just strong attack them after they shoot.
Not strong. I'm too afraid.
Ooh. Oh good, he switched. And once. Nice. Good shit, dude.
The boar's mad.
Okay, now he knows that you're there. Alluring skull. So what you can do, there's a little trick. I would definitely ask this.
Okay.
And then equip that alluring skull item.
Okay.
So press start.
Nope,
Not
wrong
select.
one.
And go to your inventory.
Mhm.
And go to the items there. Just switch out any of them. Press A.
It's
on
not
that.
unequipped?
No, and then you can just go down to find it.
What was it called?
Alluring skull. I would just.
Where the
if
hell
you
is
missed
it?
Oh, keep going. Right there.
There.
It tracks certain type of enemies. So that's
I only got
basi-
4 of them.
Right. So if you throw it near or on the fire, the boar will go up to it
And just get
and be like,
lit
"Oh,
on
what's
fire.
that?" And it'll be lit on fire and die. So close your inventory. It's gonna be a little tricky, but you're gonna try and aim it.
And
Nope.
they're gonna have to see it next time.
So
So
next
sorry.
time we're gonna deal with this boar the bitch way,
God.
the bitch ass cheap way.
Okay.
So
I'm learning.
we're learning new things,
Reading
doing
books,
great things,
doing things.
making bank accounts and savings accounts. Hey everybody!
So we finally learned out that he's not aggravated anymore because
You learned it out.
I came back.
So see if you can lock onto him. Flick the stick up. Flick it, the other stick. Or to the right or left. No, you can't. Try throwing a firebomb.
Um,
Back up a little, because you take a little step forward. Try and aim it perfectly.
throw it at him.
Yeah. Nice, you did.
See, bitch.
Okay, now go to your alluring skull. Have his attention. And unlock from this fucker. You want me to try and do this?
No, it's okay. You
and
want
then
me to throw
try
it on
and
that?
so do you see the arc that you threw the other thing at? You want to try and that's way too far.
Way too far.
Yeah.
Check and
I think
make.
your best bet would be to be like right, like at the end of near the wall, like where the dead guy is, and aim completely down.
No, he's. Can I aim down?
Yep. That'll go like.
It will.
Yep.
So if I threw it from right here, you're saying.
It'll go. Yep.
Okay. Whoa.
See? Fuck. Push him down.
Oh shit. Where's
See,
what?
he's getting damaged. Oh. The alluring skull didn't last very long.
And that guy came in out of nowhere and then went back down. What the hell just
you
happened?
pushed him up. I would go to your.
Is there no? Is there stairs?
Yeah, remember you came.
No, he did.
Yeah,
when?
he went all the way around.
Was
Well,
I
you
really
were-
not paying attention?
No, you weren't. He's
Oh,
gonna
there
come.
he
You want
comes.
to take care of him.
I
Go
know.
back to your
No,
Estus and heal. Because he could fuck your day up.
No. Don't give him the benefit of the doubt.
He can. Anybody can.
See, I fucked his day up.
Oh. Push him off the ledge. Oh.
See?
Good shit, dude.
Don't give me enough justice.
Justice.
Okay. Should I do a sweeping move?
I would try and do that again. Maybe try from this end.
How much?
He has a lot of health. He's really
Is he a
tough.
bitch?
Yeah.
I shouldn't just like jump down.
No. Maybe if he has a little less health.
Okay.
Because he has steel armor, like a steel body. Oh, what the fuck? There we go.
Light
See
on
how much
fire,
damage it does?
motherfucker. So.
Use it again. You
You
really
sure?
will never use the alluring skulls again.
Oh, okay.
There's a few more.
As long as you're serious.
Oh shit!
My bad. He's a big dude. He'll still.
He's
No.
trying to attack it. Try and go further down.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, wow.
My bad.
Try and go over here.
No, I can get it from right here. I get it now.
It might
See?
not be it.
Oh well.
Oh, he's almost there.
Oh,
Do you have any left? Do you?
No.
Use your black fire bombs.
You don't think I should swipe down?
No,
Okay.
don't even. Cheese them out.
Black fire bombs.
Yeah.
Should I
Oh,
use
it's
fire?
in your inventory.
Should I throw this at him first?
Yeah, they don't do a lot of damage.
Should I anyway?
I guess. Let's test it out. Yeah. I would switch to the black.
Fuck you.
Yeah. So go into your. Yep. You could probably just switch. Yeah. Back up a little bit so you don't fall off by accident. These are like the same thing, but they do much more damage.
Eat a dick.
So one more and he's dead.
Should I just like come with a save a fire? Oh.
Okay.
So yeah, you probably don't want to see that, but I am just testing a couple things out. Move that, get rid of that. Open this. Nope. Just working a couple things, trying to get in a good space for recording, streaming, doing HyperSpin. In case anybody doesn't know, there's a VB Audio Link, is a piece of software that kind of virtualizes audio as a source on Windows, and so you can kind of tie in audio to a particular application. That being said, I'm just playing around with it right now, but I was able to tie like our intro, our little countdown YouTube video. It's still going now. You can't hear it. If I were to go back, you wouldn't be able to hear my mic, but if I go back,
Like I said, he would drag you into a trap. So left and right of you, they're gonna be.
that guy.
Yep. The
But-
left and right of you immediately when you exit the.
So I've just been working on a couple different, what do they call them, scenes, audio wise, just trying to get things cleared up. I was watching Barry play. I was watching Barry on his stream, working on certain things like animating some Kingdom Hearts short animation. I don't know what he was working on. I didn't really watch it for that long. Had to do other things, but he I think there's several people that assist him, which I mean would make a lot of things easier, but for right now I don't have the assistant, so it comes down to having to do all myself and kind of test it out. So this is me testing it. So you can see that we have, you know, HyperSpin behind us with what I'm doing in front of it. I don't know where we left off. I don't know why it's not moving it either. Oh, there's my keyboard. I don't know, I could just try things. Does Genesis work? Oh, that's the other thing I'd like to do. So can't find Fusion. Oh, you can't see that. I can do this. I just want them 30, 2.2. Okay, everything's matched up. So without that other window involved, it's just saying that Fusion can't be found. That's simply, I don't know if I need to recap here. Hold on 1 second. Sorry, I don't know if I need to recap, but to fix that issue, you would go to the source by going to settings, going to Sega Genesis, and seeing Fusion is the emulator. I don't know if you want this a little bit bigger. I guess I can watch it post, but for me it looks okay. I don't know. I don't have like another monitor to see this real time. Probably should. I guess I could set that up in a second if I take a break. I'm not gonna be doing this for long. I don't even know how the audio levels are. I should probably check on that. Because I was recording and making certain clips just to check the audio levels, but right here, that's not, oh sorry, this isn't right. Things have changed. TinyArcade, HyperSpin, no, oh maybe that is right, I don't know. So for instance, you'd go to arcade, emulators. It's because I move things into their parent folders just to clean things up. I don't love this, but I guess it'll do, because I think Fusion can be used for other things, is why I left that alone. And you simply just paste, put the ending backslash to, I'm assuming HyperLaunch needs to know that there is something, there is a being that it's kind of defining that's not the end of the directory, and that you're then looking for the emulator. So I can pause that. I don't know what I want to do about watching myself. Maybe I can do this. This is what I can kind of show you what I've been doing as well for the audio, splitting them up. You go to change the device or app volume or device preference, and I just opened, oh, of course Edge is a piece of shit and it doesn't, oh, Microsoft Edge is the fucking worst. Let me see if we can do Internet Explorer. I just want some like bummed, some dumb, yeah, there you go. So I will want to do, this is my headset. Now it will only go out of my headset. But Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge blows and doesn't allow you to do any of these features. So that being said, I can now go to twitch.tv. And act as a non-logged in user. Just to get a gist of this stream. If it's even gonna stream. Does not seem as though Internet Explorer can even handle this. Yeah, Internet Explorer can't even handle Twitch. I probably don't have Flash to even. Oh, what? Maybe there's a Microsoft or a Windows app for it, and then I can set that to be out my headset. I don't know. I don't know if this is legitimate or not. I guess we'll have to see. Okay, so let's go back. Fusion. It says I can't find it still. I didn't save. Watch this.
Okay. I've got Kukro. Got your sister. Let's go.
Pause that. Back to audio. Fuck, it doesn't see it. Great. Unless that's a rogue Twitch. Yeah, that's what it was. Rogue Twitch, in case anybody else is doing this as well. I'll move this out of the way. Okay, yeah, that works pretty well. Mostly because it didn't play any ads, which is super helpful, because every time I try to figure out my audio, I can't get it first try because it needs to be playing an ad, and then I give up, and then it's frustrating, and then so on and so forth. So I will leave that running, I guess. I don't know if it's still running. Does it just stop playing? I think it just like fucking ends. It like gives me little blurps, but I guess that's all I need, right? Okay. So let's move that out of the way. Get restream in front of us. Nobody's watching, which is not surprising whatsoever. I'm never surprised about that. And I don't know, let's just get into working on this. And then I'm probably going to take a break. I just wanted to see that things were working out, just test it in post, see that I like what's going on with it, and so on and so forth. So it says cannot find TinyArcade emulators fusion because I have not saved this because it was getting mad at me first. No. No, save this. Cannot find that ROM path. So that is simply, these are pretty simple. I don't know how else to explain it. You just kind of define where your emulator and ROM are, and you go from there. And then when it gets a little sticky is whether or not auto HK or AHK is defining those correctly and opening them as they should. Stop asking me that. Go away. Okay. And that's pretty much the more basic aspect of it. And then it should open up, no big deal. I just wish that I could get it to show the game as well. Maybe it was, I don't know. Yeah, so for whatever reason it doesn't want to, like if I were to do full screen. Oh no, it's fucked up. No, there it is. I don't know what you guys can see when it shows all that. Let me see if I can refresh this. So it like cuts it off. It like, I don't know why it crops it like that. But you see it, you get the gist of it. I'd like to fix it so it would just kind of flow into it without any issue. So I'm gonna close this with the back button. Make sure that works. Nope, that didn't close it like it should have. The other thing I want to see... Oops, didn't mean to do that on you guys. Okay, the other thing I want to see is whether or not it's because where it comes down to the game itself. Browser circle. No, I just have it as the TV. I don't specifically have it as though it should be cropped or anything. It's not. I just want it to show the whole. It might be the resolution of that application that's fucking it all up. So let's see. So Fusion works for Genesis. Let's go on to the next one. I wanted to figure out Wii U. That'd be rather large challenge to take on, but really kind of interesting at the same time. I'm not sure what I want to do first. Amigo is gonna be tough, so maybe I'll try Amiga. Let's see. Okay, so it's a couple things. It's looking to see whether or not the AHK file represents WinUAE, I guess is the application. So let's go back to our HyperSpin folder. Go to modules, Commodore Amiga, and it's using WinAU. I've just been making copies of them and editing the copy just in case I want it for whatever reason, or if I start making edits to the newer file, I can still refer to the older file, the original. So that should be fine for WinUAE. Now go back to settings, Commodore Amiga. It is to be see what nope. Emulators, Commodore Amiga. So I don't know why I didn't clean it up, but it's right here. I don't know too much about WinUAE off the bat, so this is going to be a learning process. I can point that out. Let's simply just grab that path, put it there. ROM path would be to grab Commodore Amiga. I don't even know if they're supposed to be zipped. I believe I unzipped some of them just to test. ADF is what it's looking for. We can look at the new HyperSpin, or what HyperSpin is looking for a particular extension. But I don't know. I think that I grabbed those XML files, so it's probably something I was playing around with, and it might not be completely accurate. Oh, it's already open. And do we just slam those right there? Okay. So let's save that and try it out. Cannot find Commodore Amiga. WinUAE loader.exe. It was right there. Right? I should probably just open up a new folder, file explorer. Okay, arcade, emulators. Oh, I have it there too. So uninstall WinUAE configurations. So let's go back to Commodore Amiga WinUAE loader. Is that to be in the same folder? Is that what we're looking for? We are looking for let's open up another one. Open a new window. We are looking for modules, Commodore Amiga. So this says that WinUAE from built-in GUI, or use another loader that makes things a little bit simpler. To configure WinUAE settings, use WinUAE loader or later. paths WinUAE.exe should point to your WinUAE executable paths ROMs folder. WinHLoad should point to your ROMs directory. Input exit options global exit key should be 27. If you use escape, check for settings, display options, set full. Don't forget to open WinUAE directly and go to paths and set your system ROMs directory. WinUAE will scan all your ROMs and enable where it finds. So let's take heed. We're gonna be using this one. So open this fucker. I guess I can leave it up there, but over here, ROM paths, extended main ROM file, extended ROM file, game. No, that's looks like input output kind of deal. Quick start. So ROM. Is that there? ROMs. KS ROM. Mega Kick. Main ROM file. KS ROM version 1.3. Paths. You can see that too, right? Yeah. Paths, that is not right. Right? When executable. So am I to run UAE loader? Game base. Program files, game base. I don't have game base. ROM. Folders. WHD load. It said something about that. It says input exit options, goal, blah blah blah. Force WHD load, close. So let's fix that, I guess. This PC. ROMs. I don't know if I have them separated. Okay. So I boot WinUAE loader. What do I have so far for? Yeah, I have WinUAE. So that's why it's looking executable. I guess I don't know if I found this to be working. I believe I had Amiga working in the past. I just need to, being that I'm calling an executable called WinUAE loader, I need that path. Right now I have it looking for the other path, as if it wasn't, if it was just looking for that other executable. So it's booting. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's booting. It says one of the following system ROMs is required. Checks the system ROM path in the paths panel and click rescan ROMs. Oh, that's probably just because I moved these folders. Oh. I booted it. Toot it and boot it, dude. Can't exactly click out, can I? So there's my mouse. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it won't. It won't let me get out. Hold on. Okay, so it was asking to rescan those main ROM paths. Or was that here? ROM. I don't. Main ROM file. I don't know what those are. This one. A1200. The other thing I think that I should look into, well, that might fucking be tough to get out of, but would be to make sure it's full screened. 1920 by 1080. I don't know. That one I assume. Okay. So let's try that again. It's opening up WinAU loader down here. One of the following system ROMs is required. It said that last time. So I'm pulling it from the path as the main ROM, but I don't feel as though it's finding said path. Let me just check on the stream really quick. See how things are going. My apologies, you can't see that that warning message every time I'm reading it. It's open right now, actually. I can potentially move it up. You can see it now, I think. I should probably keep an eye on the OBS just to know that what you can see and can't see. So you should be able to see that error message now. So let's go back to... Oh, that's in the way now. Okay, let's go back to... It's still not... Still not acting as a full screen either, so we haven't made any headway on that. Open up WinUAE again. So let's fucking... So under ROM, it's looking for that... Oh, it's... What? Is that what it was doing before? No, it went back to that. Main ROM file, system ROM settings, ROMs, Amiga, Kick, 13. ROMs, Kicks again. Let's go back to Commodore, Amiga, WinUAE 2400. BIOS? All these kicks start. So I'm not sure. So let's... I don't know which one. The oldest one is this. It looks 2009. 18. Huh. How is that possible? Maybe it sees the change to here. I don't remember working on this in January 25th, 2018, but it is possible. So it's KS is Kickstarter. Maybe just start it from here and see what it says. Yeah, it's loading the ROM. But then it's saying that it's needing the actual floppy disk, which I'm assuming WinUAE loader handles. In other words, WinUAE says this is the disk and this is the emulator. Just make it happen. So let's see if that's any better. I didn't make too much of a change. So it's not giving me that BIOS issue. But there's nothing in this screen. It's the little screen above the File Explorer, for anyone wondering. Nope, doesn't seem like it's doing a whole hell of a lot. Okay, so let's close that. I might have to just look up how this actually works. Let me just move this aside a little bit. Okay, let me kind of minimize it. So the other thing would be to just try and open it from when loader. Emulators, Commodore Amiga, loader. I'm not sure what game base is. So I could potentially run the ROM from here. One of the following system ROMs is required. Okay. So that must be the issue, is that it's not actually giving us that prompt after the fact. This kind of sucks that I have to do this every time just to close. Okay, so what is going on with that? It's potentially the fault of this, where it is not finding. Huh, it added that, but it doesn't. Okay, so it's seeing that ROM. It changed the ROM in the actual BIOS. Alt tab button. Alt tab. There. That works a lot smoother. So let's see what it says now. Run ROM. One of the following system ROMs is required. KSV 3.1. System ROM path in the path panel and click rescan ROMs. It says check the system ROM path and the paths panel. System ROM, system ROM. What are we talking about? System ROM. Because there's a system ROM settings. Check the system ROM path and the path panel and click rescan ROMs. I don't see anything like that. The paths panel. Oops. Okay. Paths. Rescan. Game-based database not found. Game-based database not found. Generate demo list. So let's go back to paths. Game base. Yeah, there's no thing. No such thing. Error. ROM folder. Amiga Fit configured ROM folder. Oh, that's for... That's probably for being able to rewrite files. Game base. Commodore, Amiga. Nothing about game date. So the only thing I can kind of gather from this is that this is said error. This right here. And if I were to change, if I were to pick anything but system ROM settings. System ROMs. So they're just under ROMs? Emulators. Commodore, Amiga. ROMs. What if I were to take these? Those there. And then there was also... No, that was it. Okay. So, what does it give me for an option now? Nothing. Well, the following system required. Check the system ROM pass in the pass panel and click rescan. I don't. So this is an issue with WinUAE. That's a little obvious. Oops. So what? ROM. Oh, did it fuck that up? Is that why? Pass. That's... Why did it do that? Okay. Where's... Oh, and there's rescan. Okay, good. Okay. So it's not... Oh, that is pass. Okay, I didn't even notice that. I thought it was for the other... The loader. Okay, so we're making a little bit of progress, even though I sound like a fucking moron. So let's go back down to D, arcade, emulators, Commodore, Amiga, ROMs. Boot ROM unavailable. Okay. And if I go to ROMs, there should now be a bunch to pick from. Fuck if I know which one's the right one. But now it should be available. There's the loader, tools, run ROM. Run. Not registered. Oh, fuck you. Please show your appreciation for this. So, I mean, in the case of it, it does work, right? I mean, technically. We'll just have to find a differently registered loader. Oops. Yep, that'll do it. So I got the BIOS running. It's loaded from HyperSpin, but it's the issue of the registration from the emulator. I can't even read what it says. Please show your appreciation. That's all I get. Oh, it ended up running. Huh, okay. So let me see if I can now get it full screen. display. Let's do 1920 by 1080. See if that makes a difference. Okay, obviously it doesn't have a disk in mind because it's not using the loader. We want to be able to make it full screen, non-windowed though. Display. Percentage of defaults. But how do I have it full screen when it starts? Display. Native mode, full screen. There. But I don't see anything. So, no. Oh, it's not responding, so it must have not liked that configuration. Okay, so display. Why did it go back to that? How do I save this? No, it went right back to it. Okay, so we want it to be full screen. Let's just try that with the primary driver. I did not like that one bit. So let's quit that. It just crashes on me. Okay. So, what does this mean? This means that it can't handle full screen? Is there some way to fix display so it's not ugly as sin? Nope, goes back. What about the loader? Configuration file, settings, windowed, full screen. 1920 by 1080. Let's try that. open. I'll try closing it now. So there you go, there's full screen. Let's see what the game looks like. I'm hoping it's not that little tile box. I'm hoping that was... No, it is that little tile box. How come fucking Commodore Amiga works perfectly fine as full as what I intended to have above HyperSpin, but none of the other systems fucking work? And what is this shit anyway? Oh well, okay, so let's see, what do I want to do? I guess I can test whether or not the back button works. Nope, it does not. It fucking freezes up the whole thing. It doesn't actually close it. Well, we got it going, so let's see if we can fix the way that it's centered and small. Full screen, low latency, depth. There's nothing that specifically says it's that small little box. So the other thing to check is whether or not allo is unzipped or if it's opening from a zip file. So two things, you can go to back to this and see that it's opening up a zip. So I should technically, other than name spelling, be able to open up anything. Right? I think I have to close the loader in order to play a game. So here's Nom. I just don't know what's this small little square on the screen. Maybe that's something of a WHD loader. So there's Amiga working. And luckily it handles zip, so that's, I don't have to unzip any of those. Nope, DOS error. Object not found. Nope. Didn't like that BIOS for that game, I guess. So I got lucky. So the more arcade looking games, I'm not too familiar with Commodore Amiga at all. I don't know the differences between the systems. I didn't know there was really more than one BIOS. I didn't like more than one operating system. The one that's on this example is 10945, or that's the monitor itself. I don't know. Holy shit. Mad ups. I remember Halloween one year. There was some game. It was probably a report, I'd assume. But all these older games are just reminding me of those, like being perplexed by movement and things that on a video on a computer. It was such a simple game too. Kind of curious to see what else works. And I'll pay for this WHD load. I don't know too much about it. I just grabbed what was on the internet and played around with it. So don't take this as some sort of pirating. Obviously ROMs in general are pirating, but oh shit. Okay, full screen. So it's just that one game. And I guess it depends on what system, I'm not sure. It's a really cool song. I don't know why. It's very, very moving. It makes you feel like you're gonna get lost and have to find your way out of some sort of conflict or dungeon or whatever. That I don't know. This is cool. So if I click, it starts. Start new game. Oh. So maybe, I don't know. It goes 1920 by 1080, but that's not the actual resolution. It makes it native to what the screen was in the day. I don't know why that cut screen would have been so large. Maybe the menus are always, you know, small. How do I start? Jerson, you mail. I don't know who the priest is. Sure. I just want to see if it ever gets to a resolution that's decent. No. But it, you know, it's not terrible. So the keys don't work. It's more just a... You hear a big explosion near. You cannot pass here. So I'll go back. You cannot pass here. I'll go left. Go straight. Go straight. You cannot pass here. I'll turn around. Yeah, turn around. Oh, that literally means go left, and these are turn your view, I guess. Ooh. Can I do something with this? Oh, you guys can't even see this. Let me yeah, let me just exit because you guys can't see what I'm doing. I was just moving around. Can you see it at all? Yeah, you can kind of see it if you squint, I guess. So let me get out of here. Okay. What was that? Was that what I thought it was? ARG? It looks like the fuck is that game called? Rampage. Even the little icon looks like Rampage. You can't really see it because it gets cut off, but that like lizard thing. That's fucking hilarious. It's called Abracadabra. So there you go. There's Amiga out of the way. We've been live for an hour when I didn't think that I was going to be live for that long. I don't... Who's live? There's somebody viewing us. Let me see if I can get out of here for a second. Somebody's watching us on... What is that? On... I forget what that platform is, but howdy to you if you are legitimately watching this. Don't be shy. I don't know. I can only read. I can't reply to your chats. I'm using Restream if you're new to all of that. You can go check that out. I don't think anything that I've used has been paid for. The only thing that I donated to the mic, those virtual lines that have been, working pretty flawlessly to set up multiple things so I don't have to listen to the background music and can have the YouTube video play without, and just cut to and stuff like that. Yeah, so Amiga works, it needs some fine tuning. I don't know if I've ever got Commodore 64 to work. Cannot find ROM, so that's obviously simple enough. Not really simple since I haven't been working with it, so I'm not entirely sure. Commodore 64, I'm assuming it's those. Open up another. Sure. Go to settings, Commodore 64, edit, ROM path, and it's using the WinVice. Let's see what the modules say that we can use. Commodore 64. This is using CCS. Don't know if I'm familiar. Commodore 64. CCS 64. WinVice. Commodore 64 Collection Plus Emulator. CCS, okay. So so this one. This was all put together for me a while ago, and I don't know if I ever got around to actually fine-tuning certain things. So that's what we'll be doing now. Just for this stream. Lucky dogs. Backslash. Make sure you have the trailing backslash. And copy this. Paste that. Let's see what it says. I gotta save something. I gotta save this. X64 is what it's looking for. So we want to change that to CCS. I cannot find 10th frame. So what do we have that's available that I was using to test? We might have to we might have to unzip all these. We have 10th frame. Was looking for a file. T64, so that should be fine. It's called Oops. 10th frame. So what does this do? It opens up. Free, ready, run. Remember, proudly present 10th frame docs, 1985 by Software Inc. What's this remember stuff? It was just some work to do as the coder put a lot of integrating intro. Tape was bad. Protect to watch out for my webpage, Pirates Portal. So I don't know if this is legitimate. Oh, it should be. Can I play? Oops. No. So yeah, I don't know. Some assholes get their hands on like the actual game file and put their names and shit and whatever. Scoring. So how do I just play? Abort the game. Replay features. Browse to remember. Okay, 10th frame. Get out that shirt, put on that bowling shoes, and get ready to roll your 10th frame with 10th frame. With multiple levels of play, realistic pin action, and automatic scoring. Setting up gameplay up to 8 players. If you select league player L or 0 for select open bowling. L. 0. Or is that O? Let me go back. Let me move it over so you guys can see it as well. Maybe it was a bad example. Let's yeah, let's quit out of that. It boots, which is AHK is working. It finds the game. 3D pool. Where is it? .3D pool. Ah, fuck. So, with this at least, that has to do with, I don't know if you saw it. Move it. Huh, we gotta figure out, so there, maybe that's a little bit better. And you can see the error. Okay, so it's just suggesting that the XML is referring to a game with that exact name. So we go back to arcade, HyperSpin, databases, Commodore 64, and we just want 3D pool. So get rid of all that garbage. Save that, try it again. Oops. Did it not save? I guess we have to back out. I don't remember having to back up before. Maybe I just have to get off of the name. It's because it's called 3D no space pool. Go back to Commodore. Did I not unzip it? Where the fuck did it go? Oh, it's Commodore Amiga. We have Commodore Amiga 3D pool too. puts it all up to the top. 3D pool. Remember, hello and welcome. Fuck you. Stunningly realistic, true-to-life 3D pool simulation. The first-dimensional computer pool game lets you view the table from almost any angle you choose. Rotate and tilt the pool table to set up your shot, then crack the cue ball into the pack. Cool. So, how do I just do it? Is there? I don't know. Run slash start to start. Run. How do I even type commands in keyboard? File. Load. Man, I don't make this easy, do they? Audio, huh? Okay, so that makes it full screen. And now the video wants to record for me. Run to start. I don't. How do I? It will not let me open up anything while this is running. It does not like this whole tab thing. Okay, well, let's see if that opens in full screen. No, it does not. Okay, we're gonna close that. I think that's it for Commodore. I think that we got those two. Don't know how to play anything, but they open. I got Amiga to work. Should I quickly do the older ones? It's just because I can't find mass. So what are we looking at? Odyssey. Arcade. Settings. We got Odyssey. Is it Magnavox? Edit. No. Magnavox. Doesn't have any paths. That's strange. I guess I never got that going. That's another challenge. What's after Magnavox? S Arcade. HyperSpin. So that's right, right? Yeah, that's right. That was accurate. This should work, technically. You don't have a hyper launch module. Okay, so that's... I can check 2 things. And then after this, I'm going to take a break. Arcade, ROMs, Belly Astrocade. So that's right, but I only have that shit anyway. I don't have it. Like, it requires me to individually download. But for right now, HyperSpin. Modules. Valley. Oh, there's no Astrocade. That fucking blows. So where is that? Oh, it's just Astrocade? How come I didn't see that? Astrocade, it's right there. It's called Bally Astrocade. Bally. Bally. No, it's not doing anything. Executable Astrocade cart. Maybe we should run mess and see what's up with that. Because that looks broken, that's why. Amstrad. Astrocade. It looks like it's running. Oh, you guys can't see that. Yeah, it has it. What's wrong with it? There's a question mark. Okay, what does this say? This says that... Oh, no, where did it go? Astrocade cart. That's why there's no such thing as that. It's... Oh, there is. Professional arcade. Does that run? So that runs. Okay. No window, menu, hide, exit. What does this usually mean? This means arcade, ROMs. Dot bin, is that why? What is this saying? Bin. Mouse. Let me try leaving, I guess. Goes to load something, but then it fucks up. Let's see if it's in the task manager, I guess. Details. Yeah, I don't see anything. Maybe it's auto hotkey. Nope. So I was trying to start it, but it's failing for some reason. There's no... I'm not coming across any sort of log to justify what's actually going on. But every time I hit enter, the mouse looks like it wants to load something. Valley, run, wait, executable, HyperSpin. Let's try. What was the other one? What is mess UI versus mess? Is that why? How come those are the only ones? Okay, let's see. CDW. Let's try that. Nope. Because that's the one without a particular error. Astro CDW, Astro CDW, cart, ROM path, ROM name, ROM extension. Is it because it's to open up mess UI instead? Let me see. HyperSpin settings. UI. Let's Close mess UI. Oh, it likes mess UI. I think. I don't know the difference. Because mess UI looks as though it's opening up just the ROM. It does say Zap. If I were to quit. Try a different game. Artillery duel. So if I press 1, and I'm a captain, and he is a general. Look at that shit. Here, I'll put it. Oh, that's one of the toughest things, is that I can't click out. That's so fucking funny. I don't know what the fuck is going on. There's like frogs. It is pretty cool, not to lie, but okay, so that changes whether or not I'm firing or whatever. How do I actually change the value though? Go ahead, fire. I don't know how to actually commit it. I'm not sure. Anyway, so that's HyperSpin. What else? I think that's all I want to work on for now. Super tired after all that. I was able to successfully get 3 of them, I guess. That's the best way to put it. What's next? ColecoVision is an option. I don't know if this is... this might be working for all I know. Can't find it's out of AHK file. So you go to modules, you go to ColecoVision, CreativeVision, ColecoVision, copy that, paste that, get rid of this gobbledygook. You go to settings, you go to ColecoVision, edit. That's right. This is probably right. So let me see if it works. So now it's not doing anything at all similar to... So does it need to be opening up Mess UI again? Yeah, I guess so. And that's full screen, which is pretty rad tad. I'm skill level 1, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Look at this fucking ship. Look, it's hell. That's L327, of course. That's 337. That's 335. And, yeah. I don't know what any of that means. There's a fucking cool... Am I getting shot at? Oh, look at hell in the middle. I didn't notice that. Oh, you can't see the lifespan of Hal. It's got a beeping monitor. Anyway, get out of that. Oh, that was 2010, the graphic action game. Okay, I guess that makes a lot more sense. About Hal. The Amazing Bump Man. How come there's no video? Kind of curious about that. Do I just not have them? Media. ColecoVision video. What the fuck? Hold on. FLV. Image. Default. By file type. That could take a while. No. File. Oh. FLV. Yeah, that's better. So I guess I'd have to go to Arcade, ROMs, ColecoVision. Okay, so that should be all set. Go to Programs, bulk rename. Go to Arcade, HyperSpin, Media, ColecoVision, Video. Get rid of all that is USA. This is different for everyone. I find this a little bit more convenient. If it, like, obviously it's from USA or not, that doesn't much matter to me in terms of what like it says on the 1984 Interceptor. I don't know, what does it need to know in the name of the file? Does it need to know what area it came from? That's generally for the metadata in the XML, so don't see that really meaning a whole lot. So why doesn't Burger Time work? Because it's USA, Europe. See, like, in terms of that, it's, you know, it's in both, so does it really much matter? Europe. Rename. Okay. So Burger Time should work. Or not. Burger Time, Burger Time, Burger Time, Burger Time. Oh, there you go. Burger Time. So, there you go. Bump and jump. Oh, Cabbage Patch Kids? That is one ugly child. How do you even play these games? Bump and jump doesn't work. Must be the N with the apostrophes is all fucked up. Okay. Got a handful done. I got 4 done. I'd like full screen. I'd like other things, but for right now, I'm gonna end this stream. We've gone for 2 hours, and I was just testing. That's the other thing, is I just want to see what the stream sounds like. So yeah, one thing I have not been watching is caffeine, but I don't think anybody ever watches me there. So that's that. Okay, well, I am going to get off then. And I just want to test this. So I'm not too happy about the please stand by, so I'm gonna fix that. And I'll do it on the stream. Let's see. What do we got to work with? TinyArcade. No, you're under here. Oops. Media. So I have it as an MP4, I believe. That's the when there's an issue. So I think it's a folder. Please stand by. But I don't. Okay, so don't have Photoshop on this machine. Do I? Fuck, I don't have Photoshop on this machine. I guess I'll do it in post. Okay, see ya.